how can we combine this fear and deficiency? How can we, and also practically, how can we come to a united approach? Because there are a lot of different opinions, and we have the tendency to fall in organizational solutions. But how can we truly work with these different deficiencies to come to one strong attack, a strong prayer?
First of all, certainly the solution is to be connected together in the lesson. So as in the lesson, it's not the lesson, it's connection itself. Yes, what we did now is we did a workshop all over the world, and all those who were connected. Toronto, Kaunas, Dnieper, Los Angeles, Jerusalem, Ashkelon, Plovdiv, Zichron, all of Europe, Moscow, Peter, New York, Kiev, it's San Francisco, Vadim, Rostov, Chinga, Vienna, Chicago. Look at what's going on here, the whole world. We're like, maybe Asia's not here because they're at work. Nur Sultan, Nuremberg, Almaty. And you see, this is considered a world assembly, all of us together. Tallinn, Sochi, Kaunas, Hadera. Well, what do you want? Look at what's happening. It's Bucharest, Rehovot, Tbilisi, Carmiel. We also say Asia, meaning Berlin. Guys, you are disregarding this opportunity to be together and to talk. You can see that it's not that we're learning about something from the study of Ten Sfirot or something abstract. We are learning about the connection between us, meaning every day we have practical study of how we are making another step ahead towards connection, meaning this is an actual assembly of friends, a yeshivat chaverim. I'm not saying that we don't need to connect more, but I think that the morning lesson is the place for connection first of all. Now, what to do for Europe especially? I think we should talk about what we're going through now, because then you also have support from the whole world Kli that is also thinking and taking into consideration this. Also tomorrow and the next day, we will constantly continue to expand on this point. We need to enter the common center of us all, and there attain everything. So today we started to scrutinize this concept. It will take us some time, but I am very satisfied from this beginning. Really, much more than it was assumed to be.